Good evening, everybody. My name is Connie Doyle, and I'm an immigration attorney here in Palatine, Illinois. This evening, I wanted to talk to you about something that's called UVISA non-immigrant status. A UVISA is meant to encourage those who are undocumented from coming forward and reporting to police, and also going to court if necessary, and help in the prosecution of a criminal activity where they were the victim, or it could be somebody else close to them that suffered any mental or physical abuse because of that criminal activity. One piece that's very important is getting a certification. So by going to the police or going to the court, like the assistant state's attorney, and getting a signature that certifies that, in fact, yes, you were helpful in the prosecution of this criminal activity. Once you have the certification, after that, you can go ahead and do your UVISA application. And in that UVISA application, you include, of course, your birth certificate, identity documents, and maybe that of your family. If you, as the victim, are under the age of 21, you can apply for your parents. You can apply for your unmarried siblings, so your brothers and sisters that are under the age of 18. They would be derivative beneficiaries under what had happened to you. If you're over the age of 21, then you can go ahead and apply for your spouse and any children that would also need UVISA non-immigrant status. Due to a recent case law change, you can also add spouses to your UVISA that after you've applied, you can go ahead and add an after acquired spouse. So if you get married after you apply, but before the UVISA is in fact approved, you can add that spouse to your UVISA application. Another interesting thing about UVISAs is that once it's about to be approved, which right now unfortunately has been taking about 5 years, and that's because there's only allotment of 10,000 UVISAs per year. But once you do get approved, you actually get an I-94, which is similar to getting a stamp and a passport that says that you have a legal admission. Once you have that I-94, and if your only inadmissibility is your illegal entry into the United States, then you can actually use that if you have a U.S. citizen child who's 21 or older, or if you're married to a U.S. citizen, you can use that as a way to adjust your status and get your green card. If you don't have that ability, then once you get your I-94, which is your final approval of your UVISA status, after 3 years, and in that 3 years you can't have any arrests that are substantial. So maybe traffic arrests is probably okay, but anything else you have to be very careful during that 3-year period. Then you can apply for your legal permanent residency based on the UVISA itself. Anything else or any other questions that you might have, please feel free to text us. Our text number, which is text only, is 847-750-3639. That's 847-750-3639. Or you can email me at connie@cdoyelaw.com. That's connie@cdoyelaw.com. Or you can call us at 847-807-4477. That's 847-807-4477. Okay, thank you for letting me take this opportunity to speak to you. Thanks, bye.